What is the next technique? What is the next topic? If you see, calm down, calm down, calm down.
List.
List.
Yes. Yes. Very good. So let me exit full screen. Let me. Okay. Yeah. So same. If you understand the string perfectly, and if you work on the examples, the remaining four are it's like a ABCD for you. Okay. Today we are discussing about list concept. We are discussing about a concept that is known as a list. So I will be opening a new file. I mean a new ideally page. Okay. A new ideally plus list. So opening rename. Okay. List. I'm writing the list. Connect. I'm just clicking on connect. I'm clicking on connect option. So okay. So I think I can write the theory for here. So because indexing, slicing, all the things I already told you. So now, first of all, we are going to learn about list. Okay, first, what we need to understand about the list. Guys, can you tell me? Representation. So you can ask me, sir, what is the meaning of representation, Kamal? So you can tell me like, so string is representing with the help of quotes, yes or no? So in between the quote, if you write, then only you can say it is a string. If you write in between the any other symbols, let's say if I write in between the percentiles, you can't say it is a string. Okay, in between the quotes, if you write, then only it will be treated as a string. So okay, for the string, one representation is there, one uniqueness is there. So in between the quotes means string. Same thing for the list also, one uniqueness is there. One uniqueness is there. So list is going to represented with square bracket. I'm telling you, list is represented with the help of square bracket. Okay, one by one, each and every point I will explain and I will write. So for example, in between the square bracket, if you write anything, it will be treated like a list. It will be treated like a Python list data type. So list data type. Here, one more point that I need to add. One more point that I need to add here is, I think let me write like a point wise. One more point that I need to write. List accepts any input from the user. Any input from the user, I'm telling you. Any input from the user. Any input from the user with separation, and separations are going to done with comma. Okay, separations are going to done with comma. With comma. What is the meaning of this line, sir? See, in between the square bracket, you can write integer. Okay, you can write integer value, comma. If you want to write another value, you can write floating value also. See, you can write float also. Even you can write the string also. See, list accepts any input. Any input means any data type it will accept. Any data type it is going to accept for sure. You can pass integers, you can pass float, you can pass string, anything you can pass in between the square bracket, and each and everything is going to separate with the help of comma. So for example, lot of people see, I will write like this. For example, 12 comma 12.55. 12.55. Guys, you tell me, in a list how many values are there? In a list how many values are there? Two values
Two
are there.
Two
values.
values.
This is one value, this is one value. So there will be sub students, like they will be okay, they are very new to the programming, so they will confuse. So they will think like, sir, 12 is also a value, so they will treat like, so 12 comma 12.55, everything is one value. No sir, no. So comma is used for separation. Okay, comma is used for separation. So For example, see, A is equals to, I am writing a square bracket. I am writing a square bracket. I am writing 12. I am writing 12. Say 12, comma, 20. Don't, there is no need of giving the space. You can write, but it's my habit of writing. Okay. 12, 25.55, 25.55, and I will write universe. So inside the square bracket, how many inputs I am writing? Tell me, guys. Inside the square bracket, how many inputs I am writing? I am writing three inputs.
Three.
One is integer, one is integer value, one is floating value, and one is a string data type. If I run this line, see here, if I run this line, it is going to save in the memory, and everyone knows that. So this is the memory. And how, sir, how it is going to save? Can anyone guess how it is going to save? How this is going to save in the memory? 12, 25.55, and universe. See, here lot of people will confuse. Sir, this is a string. No, string means for each and every character index will come. No, yes, that is when the variable is holding the string. Do the variable here holding the string? Guys, tell me. Do the variable holding the string? No. Variable is holding list. List means what? List will accept any input from the user. Based on the comma, separation will be done. So 12, 0th index, 25.5, first index, universe, second index. You can ask me, sir, universe string. So like 0, 1, 2, like the indexes will be 0, 1, 2, like that. No. See, that is A is equals to universe. A is a variable holding string yesterday. Here, A is a variable holding list. For example, see, saving in memory and allocating index. Same, forward index concept is same. Print A means calling from memory. Next one, print type of A. Okay, checking what data type the variable A is holding. So now tell me, what will be the output? First line saved in the memory. Second line print A. So print A means what will be my output, guys? Tell me. Print A. What will be my output? Exactly same thing.
Yes.
12, 25.55 and universe. Everything will be printed. Because it is saving in the memory and you are calling from the memory. So type of A. See, type of A means what? The A is holding which data type? It is holding list. See, print A, everything is printing from the memory. Type of A, it is holding list. Can you see, guys? So yes, that is the logic. Lot of people will ask me like, sir, yesterday you told A is equals to A is a string. Yesterday it's holding the string yesterday. Now today right side operation will be given to left side. Right side list is the list I am giving to the variable A. Now A means what? A means list. Now. Okay. So simple. This is how the indexes will be allocated. For example, see, B is equals to 10, 12, 22, 45, 89, 90. Suppose I am writing these values. How the memory will be allocated? Tell me how the memory will be allocated. Very simple. Everyone knows. A is equal, B, right? B is equals to 10. Wherever there is a comma, do the separation. 10, 12, 22, 45, 89, 90. So 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, and fifth index. Simple. So if you call B means everything will be called. All the things will be called because B is a family name now. Everything will be called. But I want to call only 45. Tell me how. I want to call only 45. I want to call
A of
only
3.
40. Print in the
Print A
variable
of
B.
B of
Print
3.
A.
Square bracket.
Yes, in the
4.
variable B, third index position is nothing but 45. 45. Simple. So saving in the memory. Concept is same. I'm telling you. Concepts are same. One more logic I will give you here. See. So here one of the beautiful logic I will tell you. See, I told you, should not be confused. String means string only. For the strings, every character index will be allocated. For the list, based on the comma, the index will be allocated. So see, A is equals to, let's say 10, 55.55, and mm, suppose data. Suppose data. Suppose data. I am writing these three. Everyone knows how it saves in the memory. Everyone knows how it saves in the memory. So A is equals to 10, 55.55 and data. See, it's a list. Inside the list string is there. Okay, data means it is also inside the list. So 0th index, first index, second index, no option. You should not treat this as a string, individual string. It is inside the list. A is a variable holding list. Inside the list, integer, string, float and string is there. Okay. So if based on the comma, the index will be allocated. Now my question is, guys, tell me what is the output? Tell me what is the output?
Data.
Data will come. Okay. Data will come. In list also, string should be used in quotes. Everywhere you should use the quotes for the string. So A of 2 means in the variable A, second index position is data. Guys, here see, A of 2. A of 2 means data is coming, no? A of 2 means data. So see, if you are writing A of 2, the output is coming like data. So now you can give for the data 0th index, first index, second index. See, in a simple way, if I want to say, give me just a minute. So I know, like, definitely in mock interviews also you will give me wrong answer. So because there will be some sort of misunderstandings will be there here in this concept. So very simple logic I will tell you. A is equals to 10, okay, 10, 55.55 and data. So it is 0th index, it is first index, it is second index. So why we are not giving 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 for the string is it is inside the list. That's why it will be a part of list. That's why I'm giving. So here also internally if you want to write the index, write it. Internally I want to write the index once. 0 means 10, 1 means 55, 55.55, 2 means data. So for the data, if you want to write the index, this is 0th index, this is first index, this is second index, this is third index. Okay. Now you tell me, guys, A of 2 means what? In the variable A, second index position, what I am having?
1 minus
Data.
1.
Sorry. In the variable A, in the second index position, what I am having? Data. Yes or no?
Data.
Second index position, I am having data. According to the list, I am having data. Okay. Second index position, I am having data. So in the data, if I want T means, tell me what is the index? 2. Yes or no? 2. See, first A of 2 means what? In the variable A, second index position is data. In the data, second index position is T. See, T. For example, sir, if anybody asks you, like if they give you the list and if they ask you to print D means, first your focus should be this word is in which index? Data is present in second index, A of 2. In the variable A, second index position is data. So in the data, what is D? According to the string now, what is D? 0. So In the variable A, second index position means data. In the data, 0th index position is D. 0th index position is D. Guys, understood? So if you want to access the character, you can access, but according to the list, if you write a string, that will be treated like a single indexes only. That is for sure. That is for sure. Okay. 0th index, first index, and second index. Simple. Second index. So inside, if you want to access any character, so first access the word, then only access the character. Guys, clear now this one? Everyone? So I will write one more example and I will ask you now question. For example, let's say 100, 500.55, United States. Now guys, you tell me I want to print United States. Oh, sorry, the B is holding a list. I want to print the United States. Tell me, in the variable B, United States in which index? United States. It is in the second index.
B of 2.
It is in the second index. Yeah. So in the United States, I want to print this E. This E. I want to print this E.
4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. See, B of 2. B of 2 means United States. In the United States, fourth index position is nothing but 4. I mean, small e. Small e. So, if anybody asks you, so there is one more interview point question. So, if anybody asks you, let's say this T is there, no? This T, for example. If anybody asks you, or else let's take U for understanding the concept. This U. If anybody asks you to capital, this is a small u, to capital that U. I mean, it's a small letter, no? I want to make it capital. So see, in the variable B, 2 means United States. In the variable B, second index position is United States. In the second index position, what is the meaning of 0? U. Yes or no? It's a small u. Yes or no? It's a small u. So this U, I want to see B of 2, United States. In the United States, 0th index means small u. Okay. Small u. Guys, you tell me, this small u is a string or not? It present in between the quotes or not?
Yes.
It's a string. It's a string. It's a string. Can I use for the string? Can I use upper? Can I use upper function?
Yes, sir.
B of 2 of 0, which means u. For the on top of this u, I am using upper function. I am using upper function. See, it is capital or not?
Yes.
That's why yesterday I told you, you can do miracles if you know the functions, built-in functions. So you can ask me, sir, why you are using upper? From here I am getting a string. String means functions will be applied. On the strings, functions will be applied. Simple. Okay. Functions will be applied. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. So here, let me tell you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, but you individually is also will be the character now. Character B20 means you.
A is equals to U. Now tell me, it's a string or not?
String.
I already told you, in between the quotes, you write movie name, movie story, single character, anything is a string.
Okay. Because of inside the this course, it will be the string now.
Yes.
Okay.
Upper is built-in function. Yesterday I told no, upper is a built-in function, lower upper. Yesterday. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now see, we will just play with yesterday all the concepts, same concept done here. Nothing variety, nothing new things here. A is equals to 10, 20, 50, 90, 45, 13. 45, 13. Okay, only these values I will use again and again and again. So instead of writing and erasing, it's time waste process. So let's say I will write A is equals to, so 10, 20, 50, 90, 45, and 13. 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, and fifth index. Okay. Guys, I will ask the questions. You need to answer me. So you can use the chat box also. That's not an issue for me. Anything you can use. I want to print 90. Tell me how. I want to print 90. Print in the variable
Print
A.
A of
A is
3.
equals
A
to
of
3.
3, sir.
A of 3 in the variable A, third index position. Now from here you tell me, index concept for the string and index concept for the list is same or not? There
Yes,
you are, so there
Yes,
you are
sir.
allocating
Both
for
same.
individual character. Here you are allocating for the each number based on the separation. Doesn't matter if you write the float or doesn't matter if you write the string. I already told you, float also same, string also same. Okay, now I am taking numbers for explanation purpose. Index concept is same. Now let's see the slicing. See slicing. I want to print the values from 20 to 45. According to the slicing concept which you learned in the string, tell me 20 to 45. 20 to 45. Starting index to ending index.
Ending.
What is the starting index?
1.
1. 1, 2. Ending index is 4.
4.
N minus 1 logic. Python follows
Yes.
n minus 1.
5.
So 1 to 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1 to 5. See, print in the variable A from the first index position to fifth index.
5.
Here also same, n minus 1 logic. N minus 1 logic will apply. 5 means 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. So starting is 1, ending will be 4. So from the first index, I am traveling to second index, third index, and fourth index. So 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 20, 50, 90, 45. 20, 50, 90, and 45. 20, 50, 90, and 45. Okay, let me erase it. See, let me run it. See, coming or not? Logic same or not? Same concepts. Slicing also same. Slicing also. Now another one I will use. Let's say I want to print. See, I want to print 90, 45. Only 90, 45. Tell me. In the variable A.
A of 3, A
3
of
to
5.
5.
3 to
5.
3 to 5. See 90, 45. Okay. Now tell me what is the output for this A of 2 dots. Yesterday I told you.
Two.
What is the meaning of these 2 dots? 2 dots means what? Everything will be prints. Everything will come. Everything will come. Okay. Next. In the variable A. From the starting till the end, -1. Tell me what this
Reverse list.
means. Reverse. See? It will reverse. Last one comes first. Reverse. Okay. Guys, see. You can ask me, sir, yesterday also same operations are working on the list. Means see, the variable is important. A is a variable holding list today. Yesterday variable is holding string. So that's why A is a variable holding list today. Holding list. Now tell me, tricky question I am going to ask you. So in the variable A, from this, see, now tell me what will be the outputs.
It will start from 50.
Sorry,
Till end. It will start from second position 50 to till end.
till end, from the second index position till the end, which means 50, 90, 45 and 13. 45 and 13. Now tell me print from, I just want till 3. Now tell me what will be my outputs.
10 to 19,
10,
50.
20 to
90.
90.
10 to 90.
So 10, 20 and 50.
10 to
Yes.
1, 2.
Yes, 3 minus 1, 2. So 10, 20 and 50. 10, 20 and 50. Yes or no? First 3. 0, 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Guys, now you tell me slicing operations, stable formulas, index allocation, everything is, the concept is same or not? According to the, the strings, whatever. That's why I told you yesterday, 2 days I have taken for the string means once anyone understand the string concept, remaining 4 is like an ABCD. Okay.
No,
Now see, do anyone talking with me?
मैंने इसको कहा था ना कैमरे में देखूंगा.
Mute yourself. So, Okay. So for example, see, let's try with the skipping concept. Okay. Let's try with the skipping. Same. You can ask me, sir, directly how you are doing. Directly you are writing means answer is coming means, see, I am doing on the A. I am doing on the variable A. A is already in the memory. That's why operations are going on. See, every time if I want to write time is time raised, because once it is saved in the memory, on that particular A only I am doing all the operations. All the operations I am doing on this A because it is already available in the memory. So skipping. Yes or no, guys? Some people will ask me, sir, here you are writing A, so you are doing the operation. But here you are not writing, again you are not writing the A. No. Why? Already it is in the memory. So I'm using them. I'm using them. So now skipping concept. Now tell me, print variable in the A. A is already in the variable which is holding 10, 20, 50, 90, 45 and 30. So in the variable A, starting till the end 2. Starting till the end 2. Tell me. I already told you from the starting till the end, skip 2. Yesterday I told you, first one, please print the first one, which means 10.
10.
Next, cut 10, cut 20, 2 things. Next 50, cut 50, cut 90. Next 45, cut 45, cut 13. There are no values. 10, 50 and 45 will be the output. For example, print A of from the starting till the end 3. Now tell me guys, what will be my outputs? What will be my outputs? So
10,
first
90.
one you need to print.
10,
First
90.
one you need to print.
10, 90.
Yes.
10, 90.
First one print. Cut the first one. Lot of people they won't cut the first one because they have written no, not like that. First one print and cut the first one. Second one, third one, 90. Okay. Cut the 90, this one and this one. There are no values, so 10 and 90. 10 and 90 are the values. 10 and 90 are the values. Simple. Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah. Okay. 10 and 90. Skipping also same or not, guys? Tell me. Skipping concept also. So slicing. See, that's why I'm telling you. Indexing, exact memory allocation, indexing, slicing, skipping. Every concept is same according to the string. Same like strings only. Even if you see, for the tuple, for the sets, for the dictionary also, concept is same. That's why if you see here, see, first these points, exact memory allocation, indexing, slicing, skipping are same. Now tell me guys what we are going to learn. Okay. So in the list also, if you see, in the list we completed memory allocation, indexing, slicing, it's not spicing, I think it's slicing. So let me take, it's like slicing. Okay, it's slicing. Just give me a minute. So bear with me if there is spelling mistakes. Slicing. Okay, done. So in the list concept we completed. What is the next one that we need to know? Guys, what is the next one? Mutable or immutable. So list is a mutable or immutable? String is immutable.
Immutable.
String is immutable, where you can't increase the memory space, where you can't decrease the memory space, where you can't increase and where you can't decrease. So, but list is mutable. I will prove it. Okay. List is a mutable data type. See, Python list is mutable or immutable. Lists in Python are mutable. There are mutable. So I already told you yesterday, if you want to prove that it is a mutable means what you have to do? Adding and deleting. If adding the memory and deleting the memory is possible means it is a mutable. If adding the memory and deleting the memory, if they are not working means it is an immutable. Yes or no? Yesterday I told you. So try to add and try to delete. If they are working means mutable. If they are not working means it is immutable. First one, adding. First one, adding. I am trying to add. I am trying to add. Okay. I am trying to add. Okay. So, see guys, same values I will take once again. Very say. Yeah. Here. Same values I will take. Same values I will take. Okay. I am taking these values because already I have written on the screen. Already I have written on the screen. So here my question is, so okay, A is saved in the memory file. I want to increase the memory space. I want to increase the memory space. Is it possible? I want to increase the memory space. Is it possible? Is it possible? Yes. For example, let's say, see, let's say, guys, after 5, what is the index position? After 5, what is the index position? 6. So see here what I will do. In the variable A, I am trying to create the 6th index position, and in that 6th index position, I want to give a value 500. Understood guys? Second one?
Yes, sir.
Second one, did you understood? Second line. First line saved in the memory. Second line, as a user, I am trying to create an extra space, and the index I'm trying to, in the variable A, I am trying to create the 6th index position, because after 5 I am creating 6, and I am trying to give 500 in that position. I am trying to give 500 in that position. So print A. Guys, see, you tell me, for example, if this line works, first line saved in the memory, okay. If this line works means, imagine if this line is working means, and next line print A means, tell me what will be the print A. See, understand my question clearly. First one saved in the memory. Second one, you are adding a new data to the memory for the A. Third line you are printing A. If the second line is working means, after in the third line I am printing, no? So 500 will come or not?
Yes, sir.
500 will come or not? Obviously,
Yes.
the 500 will come in the third line, because in the second line you are adding. In the second line you are adding. But if I run it, I am going to get error. I am going to get error. What is the error? List index out of range. In the variable A, the indexes are given only for 0 to 5. Why you are giving 6? So index is out of range, which means the index what you are giving, it is not accepting. But see, yesterday what is the error? String object not support item assignment. Yes or no? Yesterday error is item assignment. It is telling me yesterday string concept, what it is telling? Item assignment. Addition is not possible, it is telling. But here it is not telling me that. It is not telling me that index is, assignment is not possible. It is telling, it is giving the warning that you are using the index. So I will write here. So using index, we can't. See, using index concept, we can't create extra memory and add values to that. That is the error here. See, string directly told you item assignment is not possible. String directly told you, but list is not telling you that. List is telling that with index it is not possible. So with index concept, you can't increase the memory space. You can't increase the memory space with the index concept. So what is the next option then? Guys, what is the next option? I already told you in the last class, which means yesterday, every concept will be having their own built-in functions. Do you remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, string concept is having string built-in functions like capitalize, title, lower, upper, all these built-in functions we see. Today, we are discussing the list. So list concept is also having list built-in functions. Every concept has their own built-in functions. So using built-in functions, we can increase the memory space, I'm telling you. So using built-in functions, we can increase and decrease the memory space. I'm telling you. So using index is not possible. Using index, we can't increase the memory space. But using the built-in functions in the list, it is possible. We can increase the memory space and we can decrease the memory space. Now guys, you tell me what I'm going to now know. Built-in functions in list concept. Built-in functions. I will see yesterday in the string concept you are having 80 built-in functions, but you learned only 16 which are important. In the list, I think you will be having, in the list concept is having 10 or 11, I think so. Everything is important. Each and every built-in function is important. First function, append, important. Insert, important. Pop, important. Let's say pop, I think pop or remove. Remove and discard comes for the set concept. So here pop is there. I think remove is there. Yes, remove function will be there. Okay, if there is any change, I will do it. So remove, sort, everyone knows count. Yesterday I already told you about count. Same count and index will be available in every concept. Count, index, pop, insert, extend.
Length.
Yes, very good. Extend, length you need to understand. And let's say sort we have seen. I think, yeah. Let me try. Let me check. Okay, clear is there, copy is there. Okay. Insert, pop, remove. Okay, remove is there. Reverse is there. Okay. Sorry, these functions I have forgotten. Okay, reverse function is there. Reverse is there. Clear is there. I think these are the things. These are the things. Append, clear, copy. Okay, sorry. Memory copy. So copy. Copy also. Copy is also one of the function in the list. Copy, extend, insert, pop, remove, reverse, insert. Okay, fine. Guys, each and every. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 are there. So membership in the strings only. So here no need. Here, because you understood that it's not a built-in function. I already told you yesterday. It's not a built-in function. It's normally the checking purpose. So yesterday out of 80 we learned only 16 which are important. But in the list concept, total 12 are there. All the 12 is important. Okay, so what we are going to do now? So we learned about indexing, we learned about slicing, we learned about skipping, everything. List is a mutable or immutable. So when I am trying to find out, index is not supporting. So that's why I am taking the help of
Built-in function.
Built-in functions. I already told you yesterday's string concept having string built-in functions. These functions is for the list only. These functions won't work for the string, and string functions won't work here. Okay, every concept has their own built-in functions. Okay, fine. So one by one I will be explaining you. Oh, mute guys, lot of sound. Okay, so one by one I will be explaining you. So first, append. What is the purpose of append? Append will take a single value from the user and add to the end of the existing memory. See, add to the end of the existing memory. See, whatever the theory that I am writing, understand that append will take a single value from the user, which who is the user? I am the user because I am writing the code, and add to the end of the existing memory. For example, A is equals to 10, 20, 50, 90, 45 and 13. So 10, 20, 50, 90, 45, 13. This saved in the memory, which you can see here on the screen, which you can on the screen you can see. On the screen you can see. On the screen you can see. Okay, next. Guys, you tell me, this saved in the memory. A is a variable holding list now. Yesterday it is holding string, fine. But today A is a variable holding list. If I write A and dot, what dot will do? Dot will check A. What is A? A is a variable holding list. So all the list functions will be shown in front of you based upon the based upon the variable. The variable is holding list, so all the list functions will be showing in front of you. Okay. So based upon the variable A dot will show you all the functions which belongs to the list, because A is a list now. A is holding list, and you can see a function known as an append. So this append function is going to apply on A. What is A? A means these values. Append function is going to apply on these values. So what append function will do? Append function will take one value from the user. See, append function will take single value from the user. Append function is taking a single value from the user and going to apply on the A. What is going to apply? And add to the end of the existing memory, which means append function will take input from the user, and where append function is going to apply? On A, which means on this. So this already saved in the memory according to the first line. So at the end 500 is going to add. In a very simple way, if I want to say, A is there in the memory, A dot append. So append will take this value and will add to the end of the, will create 6 and value will be added. So append function will be doing all this kind of thing. See, value will be added. So after that print A. See, if I print A, see guys, tell me 500 is adding or not? So first, see, for example, before, okay, operation is going on here. Calling from memory. See, first line saving in the memory. Okay. First line saving in the memory. And what you are doing? Printing. Like I already told you how to print some string and everything in the last section. Before, A means what? This list will be printed. Okay, before you are printing. So here you are doing one operation. What you are doing? On the variable A, you are adding 500. After you are printing. After, see, if I run it, see, before it is 10, 20, 50, 90, 45 and 13. After, see, after, later at the end, after adding a value, after if I am printing means, see, 500 is adding or not. So now tell me guys, what append is doing? What exactly append is doing? Append will take a single value and will add to the existing memory only at the end. And append will take only a single value, that you need to keep in mind. Append will take only a single value and it is going to add to the memory. Guys, now you tell me, memory is increasing or not? Guys,
Yes,
memory
sir.
is increasing or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Memory size is increasing. Memory size is definitely increasing. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. Memory size is definitely increasing. How this is working, sir? Very simple. A dot append function will take 500, will go to A. What is A? A is this one. So comma 500 will be added. Simple. So just before and after I am printing. So this is before and this is after at the end. Simple. Now see again another 500 will be added. For example, see you are running one time, no? You are running one time. Second time, see if I am running means here you can see only one time, but in the production, like if you do the same code in the production level, so how many times you run, those many times 500 will be added. Why? Because here you are updating the so 500 will be already there. Then again you are adding 500. Then again you are adding 500. Like if you run multiple times means. But that's not an issue here. So I hope everyone understood what is happened. Next one, insert. See, okay. Before going to the insert, what append is doing? Append is adding the value only at the end, but only a single value only it is adding. There is another function extend. What extend will do? Extend will
Add multiple values.
Yes, extend will add multiple values to the end of the list only. End of the list only. Okay. Append will add. Yes.
Sir, actually, today network issues there. I have skipped the meaning of before. Here, before. Can you tell us the before? Yes.
First line saving in the memory.
Yes.
Second line I am printing the same one. I'm just printing that variable. So I am using the append function. As I written here, what append function will be doing? Append function will take the value from the user. It is going to add to the existing one. A new value. It will create a new memory with the index 6 and 500 is adding.
And meaning of before, sir? Before.
What? Come again?
Sir, before. What's the meaning before you have written? Absolute before.
I think you didn't follow that concept. Like I told you, print concept and variable matching. My age is 27. So I can write my own string and I can print the variable, no?
Yes.
That is the concept. Okay. This is append. What is extend? Extend will add multiple values to the end of the list. Extend will add multiple values to the end of the list only. I mean, only at the end of the list, not in the middle, only at the end. Same input I will take. Same input. Before also same. Guys, I think everyone understood now what is the meaning of this one. I told you, you can write a print and you can write a variable. So just a theory I am writing before. I already told you, my age is 27 in the last sections. Please have a look there. Okay, before. See, in the variable A is holding the list. So dot will show you all the list functions. There is a function known as an extend. Extend will take multiple inputs from the user. For example, I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values I am taking. So what this extend will do? Extend will take these 4 values. It will apply comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. So 4 values it is going to apply at the end, which means 4 indexes will be created. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 values will be added to the end. 4 values will be added to the end of the list. 4 values will be added to the end of the list. So see here, A is nothing but these numbers. On these, this extend will apply. On this, the extend will apply. On this, the extend will apply. And it will take these 4 values and it will add here. So after adding, if you print A, so print. See here, if you want, like I will write after, before and after. See, first saves in the memory. Before how it is, after using the extended function on top of this A, after how it is. And if you're not understanding, sir, why you are writing before, please for the last section. In the last sections, I told you, I can use the print to write any theory and a variable. See, before 10, 20, 30, 90, 45, 13. After 4 values is added to the existing variable. Yes or no? Guys, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Can you see? So memory is adding or not?
Yes, sir. It's adding.
Memory is adding. Okay. Next function I can tell you, insert. Insert means why you are focusing only at the end? Why you can't focus in the middle? Why you can't focus in the middle? So same story. I will copy, but here I will write insert. Insert function. What insert function will do? Using insert, we can add wherever we want. Okay. Using insert, we can add wherever we want. For example, see, same code I will write. So first line saves in the memory, which you can see on the screen. Before means same, exactly how it is in the memory, it will print. So here, just to use, there is a function known as an insert. There is a function insert. So A is a list, so I'm applying the insert function because insert function is a part of list. Insert. Where you want to insert? At the second index position, I want to insert 500. 500, which means, guys, second index position already 50 is there. So in the place of here, I want to apply 500. Then what this 50 will do? It will move to right side, which means, see, 10 exactly, 20 exactly. But in the second index position, user want to insert 500. So 500. But in the second index position 50 is 0, it will come here. 50. It will come here. 90. It will come here. 45. It will come here. 13. Now see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Memory is increased. 50 is like that only, but 500 added. Just the indexes changes, memory increased. Memory increased. See, if I run it before and after, see, before and after. So why you are giving the string? Second index position. See, sorry. In the second index position, I want to add 500. See, guys, in the second index position, 500 is there or not? 50, 90, 45, 13. Guys, wherever, see, not only adding in the end, wherever you want, there also you can add the values. I'm telling you, wherever you want, you can add the values. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
So
sir.
you tell me here, append, insert, and extend. These three are used to, guys, you tell me, append, extend, and insert. These three are used to increase the memory space. Increasing the memory space is possible or not in the list concept?
Yes, sir.
It is possible.
Yes, sir.
Using the built-in functions, it is possible. See, in the you can ask me, sir, in the string concept, you use the built-in functions and you can increase. Is there any built-in functions like that in the string? No.
No.
Capitalize, title, lower, upper, silly things are there. This kind of flexibility is not there in the string. So 3 functions completed. Next, okay, addition is completed. Sir, please focus on the deletion now. Because 2 things I need to prove in front of you. Deletion, okay? So deletion. So for the deletion, first I will use pop. So pop and remove are the deletion functions. So first I will use pop. So what pop will do? Pop will remove the last value from the list. Okay. If user pass any input, it will take like index and that index will be removed. I'm telling you. That index will be removed. Sir, we didn't understood anything, but no worries. See, why, sir, why you are writing same values? Because already it is written on the screen. No, that's why. If you understand the concept, any value you write doesn't matter. In the example files, a lot of values are there, but no worries. Understand the concept. First line saves in the memory, printing the same thing which is in the memory. Here, I'm not going to do anything. A dot will show all the functions. I'm going to use a function known as a pop. pop. Simple. I don't do anything. I don't do anything. Pop. Simple. A dot pop. And I'm printing after. What this pop will do? Study about it. What this pop will do? Pop will remove the last value from the list, which means 13 will be removed now. See here, pop will remove last value from A, from variable A, because A dot pop. So pop is going to apply on the variable A. See 13 is removed or not, guys? Before 13 is there. Pop is removing the 13. After, if you are printing, means 13 is there. Do the 13 is there? No.
No.
13 is not there. 13 is not there. Memory is reducing. There is another point I have written. If the user passing any input, it will take like index and then index will be removed. For example, a dot pop of 3 I have written. Pop will remove third index value. So if you are not passing anything, means last one will be removed. If you are passing anything means that third index position, which means 90 is going to remove, and after that you are printing the remaining. Before and after I am comparing and showing. See, 90 is removed. 90 is not there. 90 is not there. Guys, tell me, reducing the space, deletion the space, adding is possible. Now tell me, deletion is also possible or not?
So,
Delete. It is also deleting the memory.
yes.
Next one, if you see remove function, what is the meaning of remove, sir? What is the meaning? Pass value, it will remove. Simple. Pass value, it will remove. So, or else it takes input from the user and removes that value directly. Remove that value directly. For example, so saves in the memory. So here, see, A saved in the memory. I am printing the same which is in the memory before. Remove in the variable A is a list, so remove function will be available. Remove. Guys, you tell me in these values what value you want to remove. I want to remove 45. Simple. So 45 will be removed from variable A. Simple. And after you are printing, see guys, 45 is removing or not?
Yes, sir.
So 45 is also removing. And see, yesterday I told you one concept, if you remember. DEL, one of the built-in function in Python. It is not a built-in function in the list concept or in the string concept, but I told you DEL, delete. It's a Python function. Yes or no? Anyone can use it. It's not belong to list or it not belongs to string. I want to delete. What you want to delete? In the variable A, you can tell me like, sir, what is the A? So these two, pop and remove, are the list built-in functions. But without the built-in function also, yesterday if I am using the DEL, which is a Python built-in function, it is throwing error. But see, I want to delete. What you want to delete? In the variable A, second index position, I want to delete. What you want to delete? In the variable A, second index positions, which means 50. Okay. After doing print A means 50 will be deleted. In the second line, 50 is deleting. After that print means 50 will be not printed in front of. This is also possible. I am telling you, don't confuse. Pop and remove are the built-in functions in the list concept, but DEL is not a built-in function. That's why I am not writing before A dot. Am I writing like A dot del? Am I writing like this? No, because DEL is not a built-in function. It's a universal function. You can use anywhere. You can use in the string. But if I am using in the string is not supporting. It's a string problem, not DEL problem. So save till if I am using in the list means list is supporting. So in the list I can reduce the memory. See, I am deleting. Guys, now from these functions you tell me, append, insert and extend, adding is possible. Pop, remove and DEL. delete. Deleting is possible. Now tell me, list is a mutable or immutable?
Mutable.
List is a mutable. We
Mutable.
have a proof in front of you. From the above work, we can say that list is a mutable data type. But yesterday, all these things are not there. Adding is not possible, deleting is not possible. Capital letter, small letter, like LKG people. Okay. Simple. Okay. Now, so now there are few more functions, sir. Count, index, count and index. Length also, reverse copy, all these things I will tell you. First, we'll go with count, index and length. First, these three. Count. Same, count the number of occurrences. For example, see, A is equals to any variable you take, variable will be overrides. 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 5. Okay. One print in the variable A is a list. So in the list, there is a function known as a count. I want to count how many times 1 is there. Tell me guys. Same, yesterday also, count is taking one character. It is telling you how many times it is there. Here also, how many times 1 is there?
3.
3 times. So count is nothing but count will do only one operation. Oh, sound. Shravani, I think I am getting a lot of sound from your side. Okay. So what count will do? Count will take the input. I mean, very simple. What is the purpose of count? Doesn't matter in the string or list. Count purpose is only one. It will count how many times. Yesterday, it counts the character. Now it is counting the number. So 1 is there, 3 times 1 is there. Now tell me index, for example. Find the index. For example, I will take this input. Okay. Okay. Guys, A dot. So A is a list. So index function is there. Index. A dot index of 45. Tell me, what is the index value of 45? It will just give the index. It will just give the index. What is the index for 45? 4. Simple, see, 4. So count means how many times the input, whatever you are giving, how many times it is present. The input, what we are giving, how many times it is present in a variable. Index means whatever the value that you are passing. Yesterday means string means character. Here value. What is the index? Length, I think very easy one. What is the meaning of length, guys? Total
Number of inputs.
Yes, total how many are there? Number of inputs. For example, see, same thing I will take. Print length of A. Tell me what will be the output? Length of A. In the variable A, how many inputs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 inputs. Doesn't matter about the index. Lot of people will think length also treat like index. No, index is different. Length means just how many are there total. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the purpose of length. Count, index and length. Very common functions, easy functions. Common and easy functions. So, okay, sort now okay, these two guys. These two then will come to reverse and then we'll go to sort. So list completes. Clear and copy. Very, very important. So most logical interview questions they will ask you. Logical interview questions. So first, I will tell you about clear. See, what is the meaning of clear? See guys, see. A is equals to 100, 200, 500. I'm just writing 3 values. So instead of why to waste time, concept is important. A is equals to 100, 200, 500. 0th index, first index, second index. This is in the memory. Okay. First line saved in the memory. Everyone knows that. It just saved in the memory. Routine story daily. Okay, saved in the memory. So See, delete A, print A. Guys, tell me what will be my output? Print A. What will be my output? See, first line saving in the memory, which means a variable is saving in the memory, and in that particular variable 100, 200, 500 we are giving. So in the second line, what we are doing? What I am doing?
Delete A.
I am deleting the variable. I am
Yes.
deleting the variable. I am deleting the variable. So first line I am saving in the variable. In the second line, I am deleting the variable. So I am deleting the variable. So if I am deleting the variable means obviously this will be not available in the memory. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
First line saved in the memory. Second line deleted the memory. Nothing is there in the memory now. Now print A means what you will get? Name
Just
A
A.
is not defined. Name A is not defined. A variable is not there in the memory. Then how you are going to call it? Yes or no? Variable A is
sir.
not there in the memory. Then how you are going to call it? See, name A is not defined. First line saving in the memory, fine. Second line, okay. First line saving in the memory, fine. Second line, sorry, okay. First line saving in the memory, fine. Second line you are deleting. Nothing will be there in the memory now. Nothing will. A variable is deleted. A will be not there in the memory. Even after deleting, if you are calling means how it will respond? How it will respond? Same logic. If I paste it here, guys, I think you got it now. Why we are getting
Yes,
the
sir.
error?
Yes, sir.
So here I will use in the place of delete A dot. In A is a list. A is a list now. So there is a function clear. What clear will do? See, clear will remove all the values from the variable and make it empty. But variable will be alive. Which means first line saved in the memory. A dot clear. So what this clear function will do? Clear function will clear all the data along with the index in the memory. Okay. So clear is going to clear the values. Clear will remove all the values from the variable and make it empty. It is empty now. But the variable is alive. Variable will be returning. If I print A, empty variable will, it will print, it will call A, but it will be empty. See? Empty. Why? Because in the second line, the values are removing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Values are removing. But if I print A is responding. That means A will be not deleted. That is the logic. That is the difference between delete and clear. Clear will only clear the values, but variable will be alive. Delete means it will delete the entire variable. Yes, please.
Sir, if you want to insert at the time the place of clear variable, it is possible, sir.
Sorry.
After clearing that variable, if you want to insert any
Yes,
values,
you can insert. Yes, you can insert. It is empty now, it will insert. That's not an issue.
okay, sir.
Guys, understood now, everyone? The difference
Yes, sir.
between delete and delete and clear. Now, copy. One of the most intelligent question for the interview. Copy. Okay. So these two mainly they will ask you in these two for tricky questions. They will ask you to explain delete. They will write this code and they will try to explain. And this code. If you tell clear also will remove the variable means your first round is completed. So there itself the interview will be closed. Okay. So make these points noted. Next one, copy. So see guys, A is equals to 10, 20, 30, suppose. Okay. So A is equals to 10, 20, 30. Okay. Okay, 10 index, 0th index, first index and second index, fine. Okay. B equal to A. So I already told you, right side operation will be given to left side. Right side, what is there? A is there. A means 10, 20, 30. So this you are giving to the variable B. Same data I am giving to. Yes, following me? 10,
Yes, sir.
20, 30. So you can ask me, sir, how it is possible? Why it is not possible? What is A? A is nothing but list only. That list I am giving to B. So in the A and in the B, both are same. Now see guys, if I delete any value in the A, so for example, see, print A, print B, both will be having same inputs, same memory. My question is, if I delete anything in the A, do it deletes in the B?
Yes, sir.
It deletes? Yes.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Because
Will
whatever
Equal to
that is
B.
there in, whatever it is there in the A, you are maintaining in the B. Okay. So whatever that is there in the A, you are giving to B. So both the memory addresses will be same. I'm telling you. Address means some address will be given no for the memory for the variable. So
Yes, sir.
that will be same. For example, see A delete A of 1, 20 I am deleting in the variable A. I am deleting 20. So after that, if I print A and if I print B, see what I am telling? First saved in the memory A and B is created. Print A, print B means this will print. Okay. So in the variable A, I am removing 20. After removing the 20 in the A, again I am printing A and B. Let's see what happens. See? So first A and B 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. But if I am removing in the A means, obviously in the B also it is removing. Why? Because see, your right side operations you are giving to left side, but right side is a variable holding list. So both the variables will be created in the memory, but their memory addresses will be same. Their memory address will be same. Basically, this concept is known as an shallow copy. Shallow copy, most interview point question. Shallow copy. So Santosh, don't write on my screen. Why you are writing on my screen? Okay. Just give me a minute. Okay. So, guys, understood no? Understood
Yes,
this concept you understood no? So directly, just you're directly giving. So both the memories will be same. If one operation you are doing on one variable, it will affect another. It will affect another. So my question is, use the copy concept. See, I will paste it here. What the copy will do? Copy separates memory address. Memory address, which means A is a variable which is holding list. So in the list there is a function. In the list there is a function known as a copy. So whatever the data that is there in the A, I am copying in the B, which means now A is a different memory space, B is a different memory address. Both are different. So print A, print B means both will be having 10, 20, 30, 20, 20, 30 only. But if you do any operation on the A, it is not going to affect the B. It is not going to affect the B. See, in the A, I am removing. In the A, I am removing 20. So print A means 20 will be removed. But B will be 20 will be there. Why? In the B, 20 will be there. Because here what you are doing? Memory address will be different. Guys, understood? If you're not using copy and if you're using copy, what happens?
Sir, can you please explain this once again?
This one?
Yeah, sir. This B is equals to A dot copy. I didn't got it.
See, for example, here directly you are giving. So just like you are, for example, B I am giving to A. So both of them will share same address. So
Yes,
if
sir.
you do any operation on the A, that will affect B. That's why if I am deleting in the A means in the B also it is affecting, you can see. But if I use a copy function, what copy function will do is, copy function will copy all the data which is there in the A to the variable B. But
Okay.
the A memory address and the B memory address will be different. Will be different. So if you delete anything in the A, it will affect only A. we will be not affected. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Proper separation is going to come. So last function, I think reverse and sort. What is the meaning of reverse? Reverse is nothing but same like from the first till the end, the -1. Just reversing. Just reversing. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. For example, I will take this input. I will write here. Sorry. Print in the variable A from the starting till the end -1. Okay. So it will reverse. Same way, if you write like this also same, or else. See, A is a variable. Holding list. Dot. In the list there is a function known as a reverse. Simple. A dot reverse. Don't do anything. Reverse. So reverse, it is showing you none. Reverse, it is showing you none. Okay. But why it is showing none? See. A saving in the memory. Okay. I think I need to erase this one. Saving in the memory. And you know, I think how it saves in the memory. No need of telling again and again. So A dot reverse. So which means on this particular list, I am going to use reverse function, which is going to reverse the data. And please update the variable. So in the variable A, I am going to reverse everything and update in the same variable. So now if I print A means C. 1 minute. Let me do one thing. Okay. So there is no need of update. Direct operation is happening. Okay. So A saves in the memory. So A dot reverse. I am reversing each and every value. After reversing, I am printing it. Simple. Reverse, same. Reversing. Okay. Just reversing. Guys, how many of you know ascending order and descending order? Ascending order means what?
Smallest to the
Small.
biggest number.
Small to big.
Yep.
And descending order means what?
Big to small.
Big to small. Big to small. For example, if I, okay, I think this only I will take. So defaultly, I'm going to tell you. Defaultly, sort will apply ascending order only. Defaultly, sort function will apply. Okay. Defaultly, sort function will apply ascending order. For example, this is A dot sort. Okay. See, line by line execution, very simple. Python is very easy if you understand. See, first saves in the memory. In the second line, what you are doing, you are sorting them. I already told you, if you directly use the sort, what will apply? Ascending order will apply. Defaultly ascending order will be applied, which means small to big. All the values will be converted to small to big, and you are printing that one. See, small to big. So what sort will do? Sort will defaultly it apply ascending order. It will apply ascending order. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
So now a lot of people will ask me, sir, tell me about descending. Guys, you tell me, defaultly it is applying ascending order. So if you don't want to apply ascending order means, I will reverse them. What is the reverse of ascending order? Descending order. So here, see, reverse is equals to true. I know A will save in the memory. A is a list, so sort function is available. Sort function defaultly it will apply ascending order. So I don't want to apply the ascending order. I don't want to apply ascending order. So I am reversing it. Reversing means what? Descending order. See, big to small, small to big, big to small. So this is each and every function. So completely end-to-end list concept. So list represented with square bracket, indexing, slicing, skipping. I already proved whether it is a mutable or immutable. With append function means yes, please.
In the reverse function, we have to apply -2.
The reverse function.
We have to apply -2. It is possible, sir. Not -1.
-2. To be frank, till now I didn't use that one.
Okay.
-1 means reverse. I think
Okay.
2 won't work. I will check in the documentation. Till now I didn't use it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and a lot of each and every function I explained. Where append, adding to the end, insert in the middle wherever you want. Pop means removing last one. If you give a value, that index one will be removed. Remove means take the value and remove. Sort means ascending, descending. Count means how many times occurrences. Index means find the index. Extend means add multiple values at the end. Add multiple values at the end. Length means how many are there. Reversing means just reversing like slicing. Clear means variable will be alive but data will be removed. Copy from one variable to another variable like a not a shallow copy, like a deep copy. Perfectly. End to end completely list concept, guys. If you have any queries, you can ask me.
So just a confirmation. So for built-in functions, we need to use a dot before applying the function. And for
Not
the
a dot,
universe,
variable dot. If the variable is holding list means that variable dot will show you all the list functions.
yeah, that's what I meant, sir. And for the universal function, we can just add the variable like a is equals to.
Yes. Universal function directly you can use. No need of using the dot.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys. I think I will upload the file is there. So in the 2 drives I will upload. First I will upload here. So where is this one? PPT. Let me check where is the Python codes.
Sir, yesterday you gave some examples, sir. In that examples, you gave that -2 concept yesterday.
Okay, -2. I
Oh,
think -2
check
in the
once,
reverse.
sir.
Okay, I will check it. So Python
Thank you,
list. I will upload this one. If I see the output, I will get to know. No problem. Okay. So list PPT I uploaded, and my work is already done here. And in the examples, I already told you a lot of examples will be given. Python examples list Python list. Yeah, guys. So recording is pending. Recording will be given by team, and in another drive also I will upload now. No worries in that. And as someone mentioned, now we have mentioned. So let me check. The people who can live, they can live, no problem. So let me check. A is equals to 2, 3, 4. So print A of from the starting till the end -2. Let's say 6, 7, 8. So couple of values if I take. So 8, 6, I think yes, 6, 4 and 2. So -1 means Navya, like each and every value is reversing one after other. -2 means every 2 values it is reversing. First is this one. So 1 and 2. Next this one. 1 and 2. Next 4. Next 1 and 2. Next 2. So 1 and 2. That's why 8, 6, 4, 2 is coming. Understood? I think she left. I think so. Okay. Okay, guys. No problem.
Yes, sir. I understood.
Sorry.
I understand, sir. What you said is about -2.
Okay. In the reverse order, very simple.
Yes, sir.
-1 means everything is reversing. -2 means first 8 is coming. Simple. Like see, first 8 is coming here. Cut the 8 and cut the 7. 6 is there. Cut the 6. Cut the 5. 4 is there. Cut the 4. Cut the 3. 2 is there. Cut the 2 and 1. No value. So 8, 6, 4, 2.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. Let me note this, please.
Sorry.
Sir, just give me a minute. I need to note this.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
Okay, guys. Mostly, okay, 26th is holiday, like Republic Day. But tomorrow I will update you by evening 4 o'clock whether I'm available or not for the class, because I'm going to some temple with the family. If not, I will take the class, or else 3 to 4 hours before only I will update you. Okay.
So Friday will be holiday.
Yeah, Friday. I mean, it's a Republic Day, no?
Republic Day. Yes.
It's a universal holiday in India.
Okay, sir.